Joy here. I'm back with this week's video. Today I will do a tour of my small minimalist studio apartment. Without further ado, let's get started. So we will start off in the living room, which is kind of a giant mess to be honest. Obviously I didn't make the bed because I plan on laying there in a second. But you can see the laundry that I've done. These are some of the towels and stuff from work. And I used the doorknob as a hanger for my only winter coat over there. And I still haven't used the green drainage cleaner yet for my bathroom, which I need to do right now, soon. But though that is my closet for the time being. As you can see, these need to be folded. They're actually dry laundry, but I haven't folded them yet. I'll usually just toss them on here so I can hang the wet laundry while, not mix it with the dry stuff. And over here, it's like miscellaneous items. Yeah, and that's basically how I keep them. And we'll move into my fridge. You can see some frozen meat. I need to cook these soon. Tomorrow's my off day, so I could do some meal prepping. And then those are some food leftovers that I've frozen so they don't smell. And down here, you can see I actually have, in my opinion, a lot of food in my fridge right now. And I also have some food in my work fridge, which is where I keep most of the food items. But yeah, some tofu and stuff like that, which I could cook tomorrow and eat at home. Because I'm trying to save money and I'm trying not to eat out. Yeah, and that would be my living room / bedroom tour, and we will move into my kitchen. Whee! So my kitchen is also pretty messy, but I have taken out like a huge trash bag before, which I'm very happy about. You can see my Brita. I still have a water bottle, so I haven't actually put the filters on there. I ordered the Brita filter, which are right over there. And here's some dishes that I didn't clean yet, obviously. And on my cabinet, you can see not snacks, but lots and lots of rice. And you can see some Spam back there, which I'll probably cook for breakfast tomorrow. I can be a little big. And we'll move down here, and you can just see like some trash bags, some laundry stuff, and some shoes that I don't wear. I keep them in a plastic bag in there. Like I said before in my other videos, don't be afraid of using storage. There's pretty much nothing here. You've probably seen that already if you've been following my channel. And we will move into my faraway bathroom. Whee! And that is my bedroom, you guys. There is really literally nothing here. I need to declog the sink, so I bought that. I don't have a towel hanging here because, I don't want the towel to get moldy and stuff, so I've learned to do that. And there's my shampoo, conditioner. And over here is my hair treatment. This stuff is awesome. I got it as a gift from a friend of mine. That stuff is awesome. It's a face cleanser. And you can see, so that I don't have to buy a soap holder, I've been balancing my soap on there. I've been balancing my razor on there, so I don't have to buy like a razor container. Less items I own, the less I have to worry about them. And here's all my hygiene products pretty much. And these nose strips are for blackhead removal. I think these are more for entertainment, to be honest, than like actual skincare effect. But yeah, that's that. And there's my toothpaste. Nowadays, I only buy like the small thing of toothpaste. This is only $1. I would actually, instead of stacking up on all the extra supplies, I would actually use up smaller supplies now and then. Because I figured, although buying things in bulk might be cheaper, as far as hygiene is concerned, I'm also like taking the aspect of less clutter into account. So I'm paying for less clutter by just buying one item at a time as far as hygiene products go. And I think that is actually the entire house tour. Let me do an outro. Hi guys, so that was my small minimalist studio apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all next week. Bye! Oh, by the way, you guys, some lady found me on YouTube, and she doesn't even have a YouTube account, but she saw me, saw my videos, and she came to my salon to get a haircut today, which was incredible. You know who you are. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. And that was really just a lot of fun, so I just wanted to tell you guys that. So, catch you guys next week. 안녕!